warm welcome to AD4TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital territory. I am Adirayo Dada. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC, this Sunday confirmed 5 new cases of COVID-19 in the country, 2 in Lagos State, 2 in Kwara State, and 1 in Katsina State. As at 9:10 p.m. this Sunday, Nigeria has 323 confirmed cases of COVID-19. 85 have been discharged, with 10 deaths. So far, there are 19 states with confirmed cases in Nigeria. In a related development, the Nigerian Medical Association, NMA, the Nigerian Dental Consultants Association of Nigeria, MDCAN, and the National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives, amongst others, this Sunday said Nigeria must step up its testing capacity to successfully battle the spread of coronavirus in the country. They added that it is not enough for the federal and state governments to impose lockdowns on citizens without ensuring that those who've been infected with the virus are located and tested. They added that all federal teaching institutions should be able to test people for coronavirus, with each senatorial district having a testing center. The World Health Organization (WHO) had last week said there is an urgent need to increase coronavirus testing in Africa. It advised that testing must go beyond cities. In other news, Christians in parts of Borno State, Nigeria, this Sunday attended church to celebrate this year's Easter in defiance of the lockdown order to prevent further spread of coronavirus in the country. A check conducted in Maiduguri metropolis revealed that most churches in New GRA, Post Office, Uleri, Bulumkutu, and Polo areas were open for services. It was also gathered that mosques, churches, markets, and clubs have remained open in breach of the lockdown order.
Coronavirus, they really make you do what you fit today, can't wait. Now the cocoa thing when you owe yourself be that, because it's better to survive than for water to run your eyes. Oya waka boom boom, begin the use hand sanitizer, special mask, and not grip for body at all for anywhere, especially where people boku. Clear road, arrange yourself, keep social distance and practice good hygiene for house and surroundings. Do what the government tell you, sit down for house and make it for no loss. Coronavirus dey, so make we greet together, waka fighter like a Kozuna.
I'm appeal to Nigerians is that please, let's obey the social distancing. Let us obey the personal hygiene. Wash your hands. Don't go into congregation, and within 2 weeks, you go back and resume your normal life. If we don't do the right thing, we are going to face a disaster that we will not be able to handle.
This message now from the news agents of Nigeria, NAN, they can't pay.
Residents of Enugu State, southeast Nigeria, this Sunday condemned the shutdown of the popular Akwata market, where tomatoes, oil, yam, among other food items, were sold over alleged booing of the state governor, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. The chairman of the Enugu North Local Government Area, Emeka Onunze, in a statement he personally signed, said the allegations were false. In his explanation, the reason for the shutdown was to improve the environmental condition of the market for the health and well-being of the people. He added that the government has temporarily relocated the traders of the tomato markets in Akwata to Garki Market, Enugu, to enable the council rebuild a section of the Ogbete main market to standards before their return. Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves has declared a state of emergency as tornadoes in Mississippi and Louisiana have caused catastrophic damage, with at least 6 deaths after touching down this Sunday. The Mississippi State Emergency Management Agency confirmed the Lawrence County deaths. 1 person died in Walthall County, and there are 3 confirmed fatalities in Jefferson Davis County. Peruvian police this Sunday arrested a Chinese man for conducting illegal rapid COVID-19 tests on the public with newly delivered kits stolen from Peru's health ministry. According to the police, the 36-year-old man was arrested in Brena district of Lima as he was about to take samples from 2 women at the door of their house. In a similar development, the Turkish Interior Minister Süleyman Soylu resigned this Sunday, taking responsibility for a delayed announcement of a weekend coronavirus curfew that triggered thousands of people to rush into the streets. The Interior Minister, in a statement posted on his Twitter account, cited his failure in successfully steering the country's 31-province-wide weekend curfew, announced a mere 2 hours before being implemented. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has rejected Soylu's resignation.
Coronavirus, they really make you do wetin you fit today, can't wait. Now the cocoa thing where you owe yourself be that because it's better to survive than for water to run your eyes. Oya waka boom boom begin the use hand sanitizers, facial mask, and not gree for body at all for anywhere, especially where people boku. Clear road, arrange yourself, keep social distance and practice good hygiene for house and surroundings. Do wetin government tell you, sit down for house and make it for no loss. Coronavirus dey so make we gree together, waka fight like a kozuna.
I'm appeal to Nigerians is that please, let's obey the social distancing. Let us obey the personal hygiene. Wash your hands. Don't go into congregation, and within 2 weeks, you go back and resume your normal life. If we don't do the right thing, we are going to face a disaster that we will not be able to handle.
This message now from the news agency of Nigeria, NAN. They can't pay.
The World Health Organization this Sunday said the Democratic Republic of Congo recorded a second Ebola death within days. According to the WHO, Congo was due on Sunday to mark the end of the second deadliest outbreak of the virus on record, but the case was confirmed on Friday in the eastern city of Beni. And that's it on AD4 TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital territory. You can join the conversation on our social media platforms at AD4 TV Radio on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at AD4 TV Radio. Many thanks for watching. I am AD4TVRADIO.